it's your boy Bino99. Oh shit, why is the camera shaking? Never mind about that. I hope y'all having a blessed day. Happy Thursday to everybody. Just got back from reviewing my Michigan Dunk Highs, and now I am about to review another package that I have as well. That's right, I got a lot more content for y'all. Hope it's gonna be exciting. Other than that, man, yeah, I just hope that y'all are gonna enjoy this one. Now, I don't know what's inside of this one, but I do know it's probably some pair that I saw that I didn't really pay attention to. But we'll see how it looks like. But other than that, we are growing. The channel is growing, you know what I'm saying? So far we only have like 1,070 subs. So let's keep them subs going to make this YouTube algorithm grow and post more content for y'all that like it, who are new to this channel and that want to learn more about the OptiBees. Feel free to hit me up on my Instagram at Bino_1999EST. I'll make sure to put it in the title, in the video, and also the description down below too. But enough of the talk that I'm about to do right now. Let me show y'all the sneaker, because that's what y'all came here to do and see as well. So let me get right to it. See how quick that was? Too quick. Now, opening the box. Yeah, as you can see, we got that colorful Nike SB box. So you already know what's inside this box, really. It's probably like a special dunk, but I don't know for myself, but maybe y'all know, so we'll see about that. All right, what we got here? So as y'all can see, we got the Nike SB box. Like I said, colored. Some will think of it as the pride flag. I mean, you can't. I don't know. But yeah, it got that colorful nice Nike SB dunk box. I thought it was a friends and family dunk box, but I was so close, but not too close, actually. I was close, but not that close anyway. It got the back, as you can see, traditional back. Got all this right here. The Nike sticker on the back, the confrontation where the box came from, where the shoe itself came from, typical stuff really. And let me take a look what's inside of it. It got this, oh, okay. This is interesting. It got that different type of Chinese wrap. I don't know what it is, but as y'all can see, it got that different type of wrap. I don't know. I'm not sure, I don't know. I'm only interested in the sneakers, so yeah. Oh, okay then. Oh shit. What else came in here? StockX paper. Fuck that shit. Another paper. Leave to the side. What else it has inside here? That's how I feel about that one. And what else? Oh, this. Fuck that shit. All right, and we got this as well too, man. Whew. Man, we got the Chinese New Year SB Dunks. I never even thought of myself having this in my hand, but damn, they look really good. They smell good, they look good, but like, I like how the different designing, the painting around it as well too. Like, y'all don't see that? Like, look at this. This reminds me of the Ray Gun dunks, the tie-dye joints. Yeah, like everywhere from here to here, from all around the shoe, the pattern itself, the little bronze toe right here as well, and the silver swoosh. Even the writing on the back of the shoe as well too. The writing on the back of the shoe, I like that the most. Even the inside, even the insole as well, has different vibrant colors. Like, you can't go wrong with this one. And even the tongue as well is black and red. It kind of reminds me of the Bread SB Dunks in the J-Pack. But man, having this in my hands is like really, it feels different. It feels different. Like it's a good feeling, you know? It's a really good feeling. But this shoe is like, what? Like, yo, Like, this shoe's crazy good. It's crazy good. What else they got here? Let me see this other pair. And here we got the other pair right here. Like, the other pair different. The same thing, a little bit of floral painting on the side right here. A little bit of floral painting here. Also here too, we got the little coin right here. But yeah, man, that little Chinese coin right here, man. This is a dope pair. Come with an extra set of laces as well too. This shoe's amazing. It got that buttery soft tab right here, little foot tab right here in the front. This is like a very unique color, if you ask me. A very unique shoe with various different colors, threaded and tumbled. Like, this is a really dope shoe. And even the swoosh as well got that perfect leather. Like, yo, this is absolutely ridiculous. Like, look at this shoe, man. Look at this shoe. Let me move this up. Look at this and look at this. Like, this shoe is absolutely crazy. Like, I kid you not, man. This shoe is really crazy. It's really crazy. And on top of that, I don't even know what to say to the people. Shout out to y'all for sending me this pair, man. This pair is like, it's dumb crazy. Really, it really goes hard. Like, when you put these two together, you got a bronze toe and you got a soft and furry toe. It just shows the expression on and the traditions behind Chinese New Year, really. It's a vibrant color. Even the back as well too. The back looks great. Even the interior design looks great as well. I think I showed that on the right side of the shoe, but this side of the shoe, man, can't go wrong with that. This side of the shoe right here. Wait, all right. Even the inside of the shoe as well too, it looks great. And to rate this shoe, you already know I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. There's no such thing as a 10 out of 10 shoe unless it surprises me or it really amazes me. I've seen this a bunch of times on StockX, but I didn't expect myself to get it in hand. So yeah, man, this shoe is really amazing. Shout out to the plug that sent me this shoe, and I hope y'all can send me more. But enough chit chat. Let's get to this on foot review, and yeah, let's go.